YouTube? It's your boy Jason coming back at you, just letting you guys know we just started a new channel called 92X Garage. And basically what the channel is going to be about is just going over and fixing on all type of different cars and really making it easy for DIYers and professional mechanics out there, as far as looking up on YouTube and finding car issues, and then also just making it easier to just solve your problems out there, and making it easier to fix on your car and work on your car. So yeah, for our first video, I got my 2022 Kia Sotos in the garage. We're gonna replace the windshield wipers today, and I'm gonna give you a breakdown on how to do that. So yeah, we got the Saab right here, Saab 92X right here. That's what we named the channel after. Let's go. Hold on. Yes, sir. So I named the channel after my wife's car. She really loves this car, man. I mean, it's been with her forever. Yeah, man. I mean, we may come out with a video in the future, beefing it up, making it, you know, sporty, making it real fast, maybe even making it a manual, because right now it's an automatic. But yeah, I don't know. Stay tuned. Maybe we'll do something with it. All right, YouTube. So this is my 2022 Kia Sotos 4-wheel drive. Today we're gonna be replacing the windshield wipers because the rubber is just starting to wear out, and it's winter down here, so you already know. Yeah, so we're gonna show you guys how to take these off, and then we're gonna show you how to put the new ones on. Sometimes when you get new ones, you gotta measure your old ones so you can get the right size for your car. Most of the time you can just go into your parts store or whatever, and you can just tell them your make, year, model, and just go up to them, and pretty much they'll look it up in their system, and they'll have them, and pretty much most of the time they'll go grab your right sizes for your vehicle. So yeah, so all right, let's get to it. And honestly, I mean, you can honestly take these off by using just your hands. You may need like a flathead screwdriver to because there's a clip that you have to first kind of push. It's like a little clip tab. You got to kind of push it back and then pull up. Well, actually not pull up on the windshield wipers, actually pull down on them. But there's like a little clip that you got to push back to release it. So I'm gonna show you guys real quick here. All right, so it's located right underneath this area, and you can kind of hear the clicking sound. You hear that? That's the clip that you want to push. You want to push it this way. Put your right hand on this so you can and then just hold this, and then what you'll do is you'll push down. You'll pull this down, and then it should come right off. So I'm gonna pull it off real quick, and then I'll kind of just show you what it looks like with it off. All right, YouTube. So I just pulled it off. This is our old one here, and this is what it looks like with the windshield wiper off. And so yeah, this is what it looks like off, and as you see, this bad boy is definitely needs to be replaced, as you can see. So we're gonna pull the other one off on the other side, and I'll record that, and then we'll slap the new ones on. All right, we're about to pull this other one off here on the driver's side, but same concept, you know. Same concept, just that little tab, push it back, slide the, pull down on the windshield wiper, and it should pop right off. So that's what we're gonna do here. Now, It is winter in Minnesota, so you might have to kind of get your flathead in there a little bit and kind of mess with it. But it should come off. Let's see here. Yeah, she's frozen on there. She is.
Years later.
It's definitely frozen on there, guys. I mean, if you feel comfortable with it, you know, maybe use a lighter to kind of just warm it up and loosen it up. I don't think it'll do too much damage, but just, you know, don't directly put the lighter on the metal, but maybe just kind of, you know, put it at a distance, maybe like that close. Because you want the heat to kind of get on there. You don't want you don't really want the flame on there. You want more of the heat. So we're gonna do that real quick so we can loosen it up. Let's see if she'll come off now. I'm gonna actually use this. I'm not gonna like tap it too hard. And this is a rubber hammer, but I'm kind of gonna give it a little tap to see if I can get it off. Man, she is not budging, guys. She is not budging. That other one came off like butter. Got it. Here we go. Start it off. Yeah. Yeah, she came right off. So if you live in a place where you get a lot of snow and it's just very cold, most of the time these will kind of freeze on the arm here. So you can definitely get a lighter and kind of, don't put the flame on it. But just kind of get it up there enough where you can just kind of heat it up, the plastic up. But yeah, she came right off. And sometimes, you can, don't whack it so hard. But if you got like a little metal hammer, or not a metal hammer, but like a rubber hammer, you can kind of tap on it, kind of to help you out to get it off. But yeah, all right. So we're gonna move on. We're gonna move on to putting the new ones on. So sometimes, just to make sure when you go to the parts store, take your old one, and your new one, and just kind of line it up. Just kind of line them up together to see if they're the same size. And these look like they're the same size. All right, so we're gonna slap the new one on here. Very simple, very easy. You just slide it right in, and you'll hear a click sound, and that means that it's locked in place. So it's not gonna come off unless you pull that plastic tab underneath. You want to do the same thing with the other side. Take the old one here, take the new one, just line them up, and you can see they're the same size. All right, so I'm gonna pull the camera over to the other side so you guys can see me putting on the new one for the passenger side. So we're gonna put the passenger side one on. Same thing, just like the other side. It's just gonna slip right in. And then you'll hear that click sound, but then that tells you that it's in. And she's secured. All right. Well, YouTube, that's it. The new windshield wipers are on and they're ready to go. Hit that like button and we'll for sure be making some more videos on all different types of cars.